Keir took me down to have tea with Stanley Kubrick.
There are professions that are addictive, and for instance, being a doctor seems to be an addiction. Doctors follow doctors.
I think actually in my early 30s, that has been my quest professionally.
Hello, here are the 3 versions of RP that I talk about in my videos. First one is conservative RP, and it's like quite a throaty, at the back of the throat. You do it like this, and you use interesting words like marvellous. Oh, it's marvellous, wonderful, it's utterly delightful. This perfect pianist that I've just seen in this concert hall. Oh, yes.
What an utterly delightful human being.
And the next is you bring it down a little bit, so it's kind of neutral, but still you've got these tight vowel sounds. Still you've got these vowel sounds like progress.
I want to make progress.
The goat vowel is very important, and I've just made a video on this. So please watch out for the video that I've just made featuring the Speaker of the House of Commons, John Bercow, the ex-Speaker that is. And finally, we go to the contemporary RP, or modern RP as people call it. And here you might have a, oh yeah, so I went down here, and then, yeah, and it's quite posh, you know, so you've got these posh vowels, and then you sort of do upspeak at the end of each sentence like this. Even though you're not asking a question, you go up at the end like this, and you say indeed a lot. Oh, it's indeed, yes, oh yes. And we talk a bit like this in contemporary RP.
Well, for a while it was just absolutely magical, playing out, and with your best mate, you know, playing out your fantasies. It was just a dream, obviously.
So there are the 3 versions of RP. I hope it was helpful, and remember, stay connected, see you later, and right here you can get a better British accent.